Welcome to my channel. In this video we will see the basics of computer networking. 1. What is computer networking? Computer networking involves connecting computers and other devices to share resources and communicate with each other. This can be within a single location, like a home or office, or across the globe. 2. Types of networks. LAN, local area network, covers a small geographic area, like a home, office, or campus, typically uses Ethernet or Wi-Fi. WAN, wide area network, spans a large geographic area, such as cities, countries, or even global connections. The Internet is the largest example of a WAN. MAN, metropolitan area network, larger than a LAN but smaller than a WAN, covering a city or large campus. PAN, personal area network, a small network, usually within a range of a few meters, such as connecting devices via Bluetooth. 3. Network topologies. Bus, all devices share a single communication line, simple but less reliable. Star, all devices are connected to a central hub or switch, common in LANs. Ring, devices are connected in a circular fashion. Data travels in one direction or both directions. Mesh, every device is connected to every other device, highly reliable but complex. Hybrid, combines elements of various topologies to meet specific needs. 4. Network devices. Router, connects multiple networks and directs data packets between them, often provides Wi-Fi. Switch, connects devices within a single network and directs data to the specific device intended. Hub, basic device that connects multiple devices in a network but doesn't direct data, leading to potential collisions. Modem, converts digital data from a computer into analog signals for transmission over phone lines or cable systems. 5. IP addresses and DNS. IP address, a unique identifier for each device on a network. It can be IPv4 or IPv6. DNS, domain name system, translates human-friendly domain names like www, example com, into protocols. TCP IP, transmission control protocol. Internet protocol, the fundamental suite of protocols for internet and network communication. TCP ensures data is delivered correctly, while IP handles the addressing and routing. HTTP, HTTPS, hypertext transfer protocol, secure, used for transferring web pages. HTTPS, the secure version, encrypting data for privacy. FTP, file transfer protocol, used for transferring files between systems. SMTP, simple mail transfer protocol, used for sending emails. 7. Network security. Firewalls, monitor and control incoming and outgoing network traffic based on predetermined security rules. Encryption, protects data by converting it into a code to prevent unauthorized access. Antivirus software, protects against malware and other malicious threats. 8. Data transmission packets. Data is broken into smaller packets for transmission and reassembled at the destination. Bandwidth, the maximum rate of data transfer across a network. Higher bandwidth means faster speeds. Latency, the time it takes for data to travel from the source to the destination. Lower latency means faster response times. 9. Network layers. OSI model, physical layer, hardware components like cables and switches. Data link layer, manages data frames between devices on the same network. Network layer, handles routing of data across different networks, e.g., IP. Transport layer, manages end-to-end communication, e.g., TCP UDP. Session layer, manages sessions or connections between applications. Presentation layer, formats data for the application layer. Application layer, interfaces directly with end-user applications. These basics should give you a solid foundation in computer networking.